How to make a soup. These are the ingredients you'll need. First step is to wash the vegetables. Next step is to cut your vegetables gently and carefully. Pour 4 cups of water in your bowl. Put it on the stove and turn it on in the right amount of heat. And when it's boiling, it's time to put your lucky meat. Put the carrots and gently stir it. Put the hot dogs and seasonings and gently stir it. After 30 seconds, put your Alaska milk and stir it. After stirring it, put your cabbage and then gently stir it again. After that, you can finally taste it, and when it tastes good, you're finally finished.